So in this series of video, now I'll explain about a tree map. A tree map is used to display large quantities of hierarchically structured data using nested rectangles. This type of chart allows you to show different perspectives of the data by displaying the rectangle as a different size and colors. Now we'll see in more detail here. So click on the tree map icon in the visualization. Now adjust its size here as usual we do. Yeah. Now in the category we'll go from highest. Highest is the country here. After country, the next level is the region. Now after region, we remove the states. After state, we remove the city here. Now in the value, we remove the sales or profit, whatever we wish. But for as usual, we remove the sales here. Now we can see here, this is our tree map. Since there is only one country US, so entire blue color represent the US. And the sales value like as 22,972,00.86 here. Now click here on this drill down button. Yeah. Now it is further divided into four different regions like west, east, south, central. So each box represents its respective value here. Now we can see here west part represents cell 725457, east 678781. Similarly for the south and central. So each rectangle size represents the respective value here. Now if you want we can go for some more close. Now in the west region we can see different states like California, New York. So entire west region cells is divided into the different states it had, like California, New York, Texas, Washington. If you click on the Columbia, in the Columbia we have different city. Now all the cells are further divided into the city wise here. Now drill up. This is for the New York. If you click on the New York city, this is the respective cells for the New York. Now Texas. So this is the list of cities in the Texas. Now some more drill up. If you click on the East region, it represents the cells in the different states of the East region like New York, Pennsylvania, Ohio, New Jersey. If you click further, now drill up. We'll go for the central. Now the central region is divided into the further states like Texas, Michigan, Indiana. So we can see the respective sales value for each state here. So entire tree map is based on the drill down.